Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak, the month of authentication, the month of merciful, the month of forgiveness, the month of kindness that includes every person point of having happiness of Muslim Ummah that called Ramadan. In Ramadan, we learn many things, and the Ramadan teaches many things, and most of the significant things we learned from Ramadan, that is, we are all Muslim Ummah in the one bodies, and we can realize that we are all in the one circle. We should in this month do more dua and pray 5 times salah. Apart from this, fasting, this is the major things, and we should stretch our helping hand to others, those who are poor around us. You have a capacity, you have a capability to do well iftar and well sahri, but on the other hand, there are numerous people around you, they haven't enough capacity to eat iftar and eat well sahri. We should stretch our helping hand.